Have you ever felt like giving up? Like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to work? Maybe you're tired, frustrated, even defeated. If that's you, stop scrolling, because this is the video you need to hear. Welcome to MotivateTrix, where your mindset becomes your power. Let's get into it. First, let's get real. Feeling like giving up doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Every successful person, from Kobe Bryant to Steve Jobs, had moments where they wanted to quit. But they didn't, not because it was easy, but because they remembered one thing: the goal is bigger than the struggle. So why do we lose motivation? It's simple. Motivation fades when you focus too much on the outcome and not enough on the process. You get overwhelmed, you compare yourself, you question your worth. That pressure, it kills momentum. But here's the truth. Progress doesn't come from big leaps. It comes from small steps done consistently. Here's what I want you to do. Start with one small win today. Get out of bed, write one goal, drink water, go for that 5-minute walk. Whatever it is, prove to yourself that you can still move forward. Motivation isn't something you find, it's something you generate. And it begins with action. Don't wait until you feel ready. Take control now. You're not done yet, you're just getting started. So let me ask you, what's one thing you'll do today to get back on track? Drop it in the comments. Let's rebuild together. If this message hit home like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay strong, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one, right here on MotivateTrix.